Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show how to use Proquest Central to do research for our research projects in Library Science 100. My research question is what has been the impact of gene editing on the treatment of sickle cell disease? So I'm going to show it based off that. So for my first search, I didn't want to just leave it in basic search, so I went over to advanced. Oh, well, there's the other stuff, but first I just did gene editing and sickle cell disease. Actually, I just put sickle cell because it's also called sickle cell anemia as well as sickle cell disease, so I wanted to make sure I was getting everything. That was my first search. It gave me 8,616 results, which is quite a lot. And since my research is focusing mainly on how gene editing is affecting the treatment of sickle cell, I decided to add in and treatment, as you can see there in my history. So then I searched this. This brought the number down to 6,621. This is a lot. I probably would just go to scholarly journals first and look at the top few and sorting them by relevance. But if I was having trouble finding enough, I probably would have looked up other things like gene therapy, CRISPR, just sickle cell instead of sickle cell disease, sickle cell anemia, a lot of different options. Anyways, so once I got my results, I can modify them in a bunch of different ways. So since this is more of like a recent up and coming topic with gene editing, one of the best ways to modify my search is to sort by most recent first. Wait for that to load. So as you can see here, like this is December 2020. It's April 10th. That's today. Most of these are today, so it brings a lot of new research up, and it just shows you the most recent ones. Which can be really helpful if you're specifically if you're looking at something scientific, because there's new research happening every day. Then you also can just change the publication dates here. So I could just go to here and, well, I guess if I did 2020 to 2029, that would be super recent. I could still do that, and I would still get 550 results, which is pretty impressive. So I'm just gonna, oh gosh. Well, I guess I could just do that. Okay, so then in the same area, you can go back and sort by relevance. You also can sort by, if you just want to see full text ones, you just click here. If you only want to see peer-reviewed scientific article or scholarly articles, so you know that they're reliable, you click here. If you click just on the title, it'll bring you to this page, which gives you everything. It gives you full text, PDF, and abstract and details. Whereas if you just stay here and you just want to see the abstract, you can just click there. You want to see the full text as is, click there. Okay, so I'm just going to use this article as an example. So once you open it, it's actually absurdly easy to cite. You just, well, also if you want the PDF, it's pretty easy. You just click here. There's a lot of options sometimes over here where it tells you like the Wake Forest PDF and full text options. So you just click cite here, go down, choose whatever type you want. I'm going to be using APA, so I would just leave it at that. You can just copy and paste. It's very easy. I mean, I would probably use Otera, so I would just have to click there and be able to cite it. But yeah, so that's a pretty easy tutorial on how to use Proquest to narrow down pretty much any research that you're doing.